Hello friends, today is another unboxing of Halloween candy. We have Sour Patch Kids Zombie Edition. Yes, they are zombies. They look just like the other ones, but they're just called zombies. So we've got the raspberry one and the orange one. And you can see the box. It has those typical Halloween colors, of course, orange and black, and then purple and green and everything. So I got this in the US actually, and as you can see, there's nothing in there. That is because I opened it up last week because I really wanted some candy. And here is what I had left. See, I took some from the beginning and then I had some left, but that's okay because they're orange and purple, and I've got orange and purple ones left here. And yeah, they tasted really good. The orange ones tasted like your typical orange Sour Patch Kid. The purple one, I don't often have purple Sour Patch Kids, but they were nice and tangy. Very, very good. I would definitely pick these up if you can. So thank you for watching Fun Times, and I'll see you later. Bye.